The dark, deep waters of the ocean possess an ecosystem forever shrouded in mystery. At these alien depths, there exist some remarkable creatures with abilities beyond our comprehension. A prowling predator with the appearance of an angel. An alien tech powering up with ears of a rabbit attached to it. A spooky, long-nosed 400-million-year-old creature from the time of the first sharks. The deepest residing squid with its 10-meter-long arms. A ghostly creature, embedded in the sea floor waiting for prey to come to its mouth. In this 4-part series, we look at some astonishing creatures from the deep. This is part 3. A sea angel is actually a deep-sea version of a usual land snail. The muscular foot found in land snails has evolved into a pair of wing-like structures called parapodia that are used for swimming in open waters. One of the most unique, one looks like a cute panda hovering in the ocean. They have a small, transparent, gelatinous body and do not have a shell, hence the name Gymnosomata. A common resident of the midwater to deep zones of the ocean, with individuals spotted as deep as 2,000 meters. When these marvelous creatures come in contact with a prey item, it pushes out finger-like tentacles from its head that grab onto the prey. The sea angel then uses hook-like appendages to pull the prey out of its shell and into the gut. The whole process can take from 2 to 45 minutes. They are hermaphrodites, meaning they have both female and male reproductive parts. During mating, individuals will come together for several hours at a time and fertilize each other. Once fertilized, the sea angel releases its eggs in a free-floating round mass. Kyohimia usagi, or the popularly known rabbit-eared comb jelly, gets his name for the unique rabbit ear-like appendages. Like other comb jellies, it is a beautiful, oval-shaped animal with 8 rows of tiny comb-like plates that it beats to move itself through the water. As it swims, the comb rows diffract light to produce a shimmering rainbow effect. Their transparent bodies make them extremely hard to spot in low lights of the depths of the ocean. Astonishingly, this tiny creature, about 6-inch long and without a brain, is one of the most successful predators of all time. A simple technique: look for chemical traces to evaluate size and position of the prey, and if it is small enough, eat it. The chimera is the most primitive known cartilaginous fish, dating back as old as 400 million years when they parted ways from their closest relatives, sharks. The rhinochimeridae is probably the spookiest of the lot. They are quite common at the depths of 200 to 2,000 meters of the deep tropical warm waters. The exceptionally long paddle-shaped snout has numerous sensory nerve endings and is used to find food such as small fish. The first dorsal fin includes a mildly venomous spine, used in defense. At the crushing extreme depths of the hadal zone, one squid floats in perennial darkness. The big-finned squid Magnapinna has almost 10-meter-long arms scouring the seafloor to get anything to eat, from zooplankton to marine snow. These large arms are held together at right angles to the main body, creating an elbow-like structure. These species of squids are mainly identifiable by their long, thin arms and specific colors. The squid also have a very unique brachial crown that sets them aside from the rest of other families that are known. The predatory tunicate, Megalodicopia hyans, also known as the ghostfish, is a species of tunicate which lives anchored along deep-sea canyon walls and the seafloor. Unlike its filter feeder relatives, it has adapted to life as an ambush predator. Predatory tunicates live anchored along the deep-sea canyon walls and seafloor, waiting for tiny animals to drift or swim into their cavern. Its mouth-like siphon is quick to close whenever a small animal such as a crustacean or a fish drifts inside. Once the predatory tunicate catches a meal, it keeps its trap shut until the animal inside is digested. These 5-inch-long tiny creatures are found up to a depth of 1,000 meters. Predatory tunicates are hermaphrodites, producing both eggs and sperm which drift into the water. If there are no other tunicates nearby, they can self-fertilize the eggs. That brings us to the end of this video. For part 4, stay tuned.